Hello, everybody. This is Professor Frausto, and since this is a video online, I thought I would have an online personality. This is my avatar. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create annotations with Cami and then how to upload your annotations into Blackboard. All right, so let's get started. So we are going to take our handy dandy reading that we're all very familiar with by now, just as our sample. So we're going to annotate. Remember, you should always annotate everything that's on the page. So you would read each one of these paragraphs. Again, you're going to look for topics, main ideas, supporting points, key points, all of that kind of information. Now, for some reason, my document pulled up in Adobe Acrobat. So hang on just a second while I switch that to Cami. So hold on just one second. Let me get to Cami. All right, so let me pull this reading up here. And it is, yes, well of a problem. Here it is. Okay, and let me share my screen once more. Let me get rid of this Adobe copy for some reason. And let me go back to sharing my screen. There we go. All right. So as you know, you have all of your tools over here. So if you want to write on your document, you could just grab your marker. I remember that text thing wasn't working. So I think I got my drawing and just kept my stroke very thin. And then I could just put like T and then topic, or you can get your text. I'm sorry, my dogs are in the background. Thank you. And then you can just write out your topic here, etc. You can grab your highlighter. Here's the highlighter. If I want it in yellow, let's just say I can come and underline main ideas. So again, this is just, I'm not teaching you how to annotate. You already know how to do that. The main purpose of this video is to show you how to upload it into Blackboard. Okay, so after you do all of this annotating, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to say, it says this file is not uploaded. So you're going to save it to your Google Drive. Now this does create, a few steps. So we're going to save it to our Google Drive. Okay, and so it saved it as this name here, okay? So now let's go to our Google Drive. So you would go into your Google Drive. And I'm going to type in recents. Okay, and it should pull this one up right here. And this should be the one, yep, that I just pulled. Okay, so here it is. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download it onto my hard drive. Okay, so my desktop so that I can very easily pull it up. Remember that for annotations, PDFs are okay. So you can submit this as a PDF. Okay, so I click that little download button. Again, let me show you where it is. We're just making sure that's it. So I click this little download button here. Yours may look different, so you may need to know where it is. Okay, so there it is. And now I'm just going to make sure that it got into my hard drive. And I'm just going to check real quick. Make sure it's there. Yes. Let me click on it on my desktop just to make sure it got there. Let me stop sharing just for a second so that I can share in a different mode. So here's my reading again. And let me just download it one more time to show you. So here it is. And it's downloading and it's going to pop up over here. And here now, so when I click on it, you actually have to click on it. Okay, you can't just upload it. Then you have to download it again. That's where you get to name it. So you could change this to annotations of okay, or whatever it is that you're working on. Then you actually have to hit save. So it's almost like you have to download it twice, because one way just downloads it somewhere into like a temporary file, and then you have to download that particular thing into your hard drive. Okay, so now let me just move this out of the way. And here is my document on my hard drive on my desktop. And I can go down here and there it is for sure. We know that's the one that I'm showing you. Okay, now we know it's there. Okay, so you're going to go to Blackboard now. And where is my Blackboard? It's okay, I've got it right here. Okay, you're going to go into Blackboard, into our course, and you're going to go to assignments. You're going to go to week 5, and this is where you're going to submit it. Okay, so you have to submit both the annotations and the Cornell notes. Okay, so you know how to do Cornell notes, you know how to attach them as files. Okay, so I'm just going to show you here. You're going to browse local files. You're going to pick your file. You're going to open it. Okay. And then here, because we need to add another file, we're going to upload more files. Okay, so we already have that one. So here we're going to add another file. Now I'm just going to pick another one just for example. Okay, but say this was my Cornell notes. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. And now I have both of them here. I have my annotations and my Cornell notes. Okay, and then I would hit submit. Now I'm not going to hit submit because those are, this is just a sample. Okay, but you have to hit submit. So you have to have both of these. I want you to replay this video as many times as it takes. You cannot email me if you're having problems. You will need to contact the help desk. You may not get anybody if you're working on it at 11:50 and trying to submit. So my advice to you is to get this done early. Okay. All right. So make sure that you hit submit. Make sure both documents are uploaded. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.